Hello and welcome to Altenew Academy. My name is Sarah Newman and I'm delighted to invite you to our newest class, Monoprinting Made Easy. In this class, we're going to combine favorite Altenew supplies with a jelly plate to create fabulous backgrounds for our cards. We'll use watercolors, dye inks, pigment inks, sprays, and alcohol ink refills to make one-of-a-kind papers. We'll start with the basics and then add more possibilities as we go. This class is perfect for newbies as well as paper crafters who want to add a new twist or two to their skills. This class will share 6 different lessons, each one with a video packed with hints, tips, and challenges so you can take your monoprinting to the next level. I'll also share some extra bonus project ideas so you have even more inspiration. I do hope you can join us for the Monoprinting Made Easy class here at Altenew Academy. We're going to have so much fun. I hope to see you there.